I'm going to show you how to link Google Form to Google Sheets. Now, this is very easy, so just follow my steps and you'll be able to do this yourself. So all you need to do is to be in your Google Forms page, and what you need to do then is go over to the Responses tab. Within this tab, you'll actually see this green button right here at the top right, and it says Create Spreadsheet. We just want to click that. It's going to ask us to set a name if we want to create a new spreadsheet, or if we maybe have an existing one, we can select that. But I do want to go ahead and create a new spreadsheet, and the default name works fine with me, so I'm going to click Create. And as you can see now, it put all of my responses into a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. And this is actually a live spreadsheet. So I have this form open and I will just put in a response and I will select other and I'll click submit. And as soon as I click submit, go back to the tab and you can see it actually updated right away with the new response. Now, just in case you want to go ahead in the future and unlink the spreadsheet from your Google form, you can go back to the form and under the responses tab once again, you can click these three dots right here and you can click Unlink Form and confirm that by clicking on link, and that way you can unlink your Google form from your Google Sheets as well. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to leave a thumbs up below. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and I will go ahead and address your question in the comments down below.